had a lot of potential, and even though his group wasn't very popular, he was already making his mark in the public's eyes. He played a big part in Pentagon's debut album by writing lyrics for songs like Lukewarm and Organic Song. He continued to contribute songs like Runaway and the group's hit song Shine during his time with the group. Mind you, he did all this as a rookie idol, but everyone could see how much talent he had already. He was a charismatic performer, a skilled rapper, a good dancer, and was already heavily contributing to the group's music. What was there not to like? Over time, he became one of the most recognized members of the group and started getting attention outside of Pentagon's activities. Even people who didn't keep up with them were heavily rooting for Don and Pentagon to find success. Seems like Cube Entertainment also saw just how much they could do with Don as an artist and tried to promote him as heavily as possible. So, in April of 2017, the company made an announcement that Don, along with his bandmate Hui and labelmate HyunA, would form a new co-ed group called Triple H. They made their debut on the first day of May in 2017 with the mini-album titled 1990X. With this album, Don once again took on the role of songwriter, creating all the tracks, including the lead single 365 Fresh. Their debut was very successful, which was exactly what people expected of the three most talented people in Cube Entertainment. However, everyone couldn't help but notice the insane chemistry between the members, especially between HyunA and Don. Everyone chalked it up to the talents of the performers to make it seem like they all got along greatly, but as we all know by now, that wasn't the case. We're all familiar with the story by now. Rumors surfaced about his romantic involvement with HyunA, which Cube initially denied, only to have the couple later release their own statements that contradicted the company's claims. As a punishment for breaking their trust, the company terminated their contracts, and the two were finally free to live however they wished. Then the two signed with P Nation, and it seemed like everyone got what they wanted. The couple could date freely without the management stopping them, the company got two talented artists, and the fans could see that the two were happy about this arrangement. However, little did they know that this would be a decision which was great for everyone except Don. As soon as Don and HyunA made their relationship public, media attention and fan discussions were quick to label him as HyunA's boyfriend, despite that he was an artist himself, a very talented one at that. While it's natural for fans to be curious and interested in the personal lives of their favorite artists, this label overshadowed Don's identity as a musician. This happened mostly because of the difference in their popularities. HyunA was a highly popular artist with a successful career that was established way before Don even debuted. She was already a well-known figure in K-pop before her relationship with Don. She had a successful solo career and had been a part of 4 Minute and briefly Wonder Girls. Her solo songs were big hits, and her stage presence and music videos were captivating, earning her a huge and loyal fan base and support from the general public. HyunA was a household name in the industry, and her name carried a lot of weight. On the other hand, Don was still in the early stages of his career when he and HyunA went public with their relationship. He wasn't unknown, but he wasn't exactly popular either. Trying to